We're going to be completing a table given a few of the x and y values, and we are told that this is the equation that they used for this table. All right? So, I'm going to start here in my x column here, okay? So similarly, I'm just going to draw a table. X, over here, y, and here's going to be my equation in the middle here, my workspace. So here we're given that we have 2, so x is equal to 2. So we want to find what is y. All right, so I have 8y equal to 5 times 2 minus 4. Remember, folks, x equals 2. I'm plugging that into where x is in the equation. Okay, so we can simplify here. And I have 8y is equal to 5 times negative 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And we know negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. So I have 8y equal to negative 10. Now I want to try and get 1y on the left-hand side. Right now I have 8 y's. So I'm going to divide by 8 on both sides. And I have y equal to negative 10 over 8. Now, this would be okay, but we want to try and put it in the simplest form. So we're going to find the greatest common factor, which is 2 between both these. I'm going to divide both of these by 2, and I get negative 5 over 4. So when x is 2, y is negative 5 over 4. Boom. I'm going to fill in my table here. Question mark no longer. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. All right, we'll just leave the question mark, I guess. All right, next value here that we're given that y is 0. So when y is 0, what is x? Well, we can do this using this equation, right? So I have 8 times, now I have y, I'm given y, so 8 times 0 is equal to 5 times x minus 4. 8 times 0 is just 0, and then 5 times x minus 4, so 5 times x minus 4. And what I can do here, guys, is, watch, because 5 is being multiplied by my variable, I can actually just divide by 5. Sorry, I forgot my therefore sign. And 0 divided by 5, guys, is just 0. 0 pieces of a 5-piece pizza is just 0. Over here, this goes to 1, and I have x minus 4. So stop and think. Use your brain here for a second. What minus 4 gives you 0? What number goes there to give you 0? Well, you can use your intuition there and say 4, or you can add 4 to both sides, and you get 4 equals x. So when y is 0, x is 4. All right, last table, I think, right? Yep. Oh, I forgot to put it up here in my table. All right, so we have when x is 6, what is y? So x equals 6. What is y going to be? All right, we use our equation. 8y equal to, again, I'm using this, 5 times x minus 4. And I'm going to plug in x, or 6 for x, so 8y is equal to 5 times 6 minus 4. 8y is equal to, 6 minus 4 is 2, so 5 times 2. I know 5 times 2 is just equal to 10. So I can say 8y is equal to 10. And interestingly enough, oh, I see. I divide by 8, divide by 8. Y equals 5 over 4. I was curious because I said y equals 5 over 4, and up here I had y equals negative 5 over 4. And that's okay, but I was making sure I didn't make a mistake. Okay? So boom, y equals 5 over 4. Go up here to my chart, fill that in. There you go. So we've completed the table. So the point here, guys, that you can plug in y and find x, or you can plug in x and find y.